Let's dive into the Canon Pixma Pro-10 photo printer and discover its precision and excellence in our detailed review. Get ready to unleash your creativity with its professional-grade photo printing capabilities. This printer is a truly reliable choice for bakers and creative enthusiasts. So, let's get started and explore all the amazing features it has to offer. The Canon Pixma Pro-10 photo printer is an exceptional choice for creating high-quality cake toppers with unmatched precision. With an impressive resolution of 4800 by 2400 dpi and Canon's advanced fine technology, this printer delivers stunning details and vibrant colors, ensuring your cake decorations are nothing short of perfection. The ink system is a standout feature, equipped with 10 cartridges that offer a wide color range, including 3 specialized black inks for achieving top-tier black and white photos. It provides the flexibility to create borderless prints up to 13 by 19 inches, making it perfect for a variety of cake designs. Its compatibility with a wide range of media allows you to explore different textures and materials for your edible masterpieces. With this printer, you can unleash your creativity and bring your cake decorating skills to new heights. The printer's speed is truly impressive and capable of producing an 8x 10-inch photo in just 3 minutes and 35 seconds. In terms of dimensions, the Pixma Pro-10 strikes a perfect balance between functionality and space saving, measuring 27.13 by 15.16 by 8.46 inches and weighing just 44.1 pounds. Its sturdy construction ensures stability during operation. The Canon Pixma Pro-10 photo printer is a beloved choice among bakers and food artists alike. With its outstanding image quality and precise color accuracy, it truly stands out from the crowd. This printer is an indispensable tool for professionals in the visual arts, ensuring meticulous detail in every single print. If you want to purchase this professional printer right now, check out the